Hello guys, this is Vikas and I'm back with a new video on unboxing of the Red Hot Winner 2019 JBL Harman Party Box 100. This is the 2019 Party Box from JBL. It has got 160 watts of pure output, a sound that will rattle your house during these COVID times and will ensure that all your parties in the house are rocking. Okay, so these are the features in the new Party Box 100. It's got the signature JBL sound. I think the JBL sound quality is the best after Bose in the market, and this is provided by Harman. Okay, and Harman being one of the best sound manufacturers across the globe. The next that makes this Party Box a very good device for your house parties is its color scheme. It's got an RGB color scheme which keeps changing with the wavelength of the sound that it produces. The third thing is it's a portable rechargeable battery it's got, and the best thing is it works for 12 hours. The playtime is for 12 hours and it is a portable. So when I say portable, I'll show you when we unbox how big it is, how small it is, what's the output, and it also got a mic and a guitar input. So with the mic and the guitar input, so your parties are going to be rocking, where your friends and your colleagues or your family members, you can connect a mic and do a karaoke in the house. So, and it's also got a wireless streaming, so you can connect multiple phones onto this device, and you can also do a daisy chain with multiple party box in your house, and then you can give a humongous output to your parties. Thank you. So this JBL Party Box is approximately 10 kgs. If you see, this exactly 10 kgs. So it's so nice and portable that you can lift this and put it in your car. Okay, you can take it to anywhere. It's so lightweight, one person can easily lift. And during this coronavirus, you can also do workout with this. Okay, so build your muscles, do some workout with this JBL Party Box, and boom. Okay, that's how it starts. Okay, I just turned it on. Now let's go into the features and the pricing of this model quickly without wasting any time. So this JBL Party Box 100 is actually available for almost 24,000 rupees on Amazon, on any other portal, and even on the JBL website. But actually we got this one from one of the local electronic showroom in Mumbai for almost as cheap as 17,500. So there was a deal that was going on, and we bargained a lot with the sales guy, and eventually we got an HDFC Bank discount of 5%, and plus an additional discount by the authorized dealer, and eventually we got this for 17,500. For 17,500 for an MRP of 24,000, it's a very good choice. So if you guys want to buy this, buy it somewhere around 18,500 or below it. That would be the best deal for you anywhere, even Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, or even the JioMart. That is the new one that is launched. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the features. Okay, so if you see, this JBL Party Box comes with a big woofer. Okay, we'll go through the sound and stuff very quickly. This is nothing but the charging socket that we get. Okay, on top we got the connectivity. Here you can connect a USB. Okay, here you can have the input for the auxiliary, and this is the output for the auxiliary. Okay, here is the mic where you can connect a mic, and here it's the connection for the guitar. These are nothing but the volume for the mic and for the guitar together. From the aux out, you can also connect one more speaker, okay, which can work parallelly. For the input, it can connect to your phone, to your television, which has an aux input. Okay, so it's a very simple basic connectivity that we get here. Okay, don't expect too much of stuff here. It's a very simple audio portable speaker that we get. It's just that the output is huge. Okay, it's a 160 watt output that we are expecting here. Okay, we can also keep this device horizontally. Okay, horizontally it looks very sleek. Okay, you can also keep it vertically. Okay, so It's very sturdy. Here it's a complete mesh. Okay, it is not waterproof, it is not water resistant, so be wary when you're trying to use it outside or outdoors in a rainy season. My advice would be keep it indoors. Whenever you're going out somewhere partying or you want to go out for a vacation, you can keep this in your car and you can play music. The best part about this speaker is it's woofer. The bass is so strong. The bass is so strong that a normal portable speaker or a boom box will fail against this. Okay, so we'll play this speaker soon and then we'll tell you how the audio quality is. Thank you. Okay, so guys, let's talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of this JBL Partybox 100. Now, the advantages are many. Okay, first thing is this is not so big. I would say it's okay type. Okay, in a house, you can always keep it next to the speaker to the television, and you can connect your audio cable to this party box, or maybe if you have a Bluetooth television in your house, you can connect the Bluetooth to this device and you can place this speaker anywhere in your living room and you can have a surround sound. That is first. Second is it's got 160 watts of pure bass. Okay, so the bass is as good as to rock the windows of your house set. The third thing, it got this very unique party feel that you get from these speakers. Okay, when you are having this night parties or night outs with your friends, this speaker will actually make this entire house of yours as a party, a party arena. Okay, or maybe a pub or a disco. Okay, so this is what it will gonna help you. This thing has got lights on top. I'll play these lights when we connect the music. So whenever you connect the music, you get these are some small lights at the top and the bottom. Okay, it has got 3 tweeters in it. If you closely see inside, there is one tweeter here and one tweeter inside this and one at the bottom. So it's got 3 tweeters. At any point of time, only 2 tweeters run. Okay, if you keep it vertically, the top 2 tweeters will play, and when you keep it horizontally, the bottom one and the top tweeter will play. Okay, and the fourth point about the best part about this speaker is it is portable. You can carry it in your car. You can keep at the back tray of your car, and you don't have to worry about any high-end speakers in your car. Okay, the fifth point. Okay, the fifth point is this USB socket that you get. This USB socket not only can play music through a USB device, but I can also charge my phone with this socket. Okay, so when I connect, it automatically gets into the charging mode. So if you see, my phone is currently in the charging mode as soon as it connects. Okay, so I'll just show you. I need to unlock the phone. Okay, so it says 95% charge. See, it went into charging mode. So basically you can connect your phone to this socket and you can get your phone charged. Apart from that, what I see is the karaoke. You get the karaoke option. You can connect the guitar. This is one more additional plus point that you get, 5 and 6. The seventh good thing about this speaker is that when you are playing the music, okay, when you are playing the music, what you can do is you can actually keep your phone on top like this, so that which songs are getting played, you can just change the music modes and stuff like that. So this actually is a very well thought through design that JBL Harman has thought of. Okay, so this is another plus point about it. Now let's get into the disadvantage. Now the disadvantage about this is 10 kgs. It is a little heavy, but I would suggest you will not often try to move this from one place to another. You will try to keep a very secure place over your house somewhere. Okay. The next thing is there is no additional aux cable that you get. Okay, so you don't get the aux cable with this device. Okay. The third thing is at the bottom, if you see, there is a good option to connect the pedestals. So if you remember, there is a pedestal connectivity that you get here, so that you can put a stand and you can make this vertically aligned in some outdoors or maybe in your house. Okay, and it can also help you keep some small aux cable in the future if you would like to, but longer aux cables will not fit, shorter ones will. but then this is a good option to utilize this space. Okay, so I'll put this back. The other disadvantages is that you can only connect 8 Bluetooth connections to this. Okay, and whenever you connect the 9th device, automatically the first device will get auto disconnected from this. Okay, similarly, when you turn it on, this speaker will automatically connect to the last connected device first. Okay, so if there are people in your house and everyone is connected to it, sometimes there will be a problem where you need to disconnect the other guy and then the first guy can play it. So this will be a problematic situation when a lot of people are connected to this device and are in the same room. So another major disadvantage of this speaker is that this is not dust proof nor it is water resistant. So if you see, it's actually has got a mesh fiber mesh that you have got. It is very strong though, okay, unbreakable, but this is a possibility that the dust will get into it, or if you drop your liquid or any kind of drink over it, water will get into these speakers. Although I have not tested it, but I will strongly advise that whenever you're not using it, try to keep it covered, okay, as much as possible. And if you're outdoors, try to see that if it rains or something happens, you just cover this device as quickly as possible, okay, because it is completely non-water resistant. Okay, here comes the moment of truth. Let's play some music. All right, so as soon as you turn it on, the Bluetooth will connect to the last device automatically, and you'll hear a sound. Okay, that's the sound. Okay, so that once that's connected to your phone, then you can play your music. So let's play some hardcore bass. So I believe you guys might have heard Bloodfire. Now let's hear Bloodfire on the JBL Partybox 100.
No matter where you are, light us up.
So if you hear this, as soon as I play the music, the colors come on. There are small lights that come on. Okay, these lights make it a very fantastic party box for your house.
Flames so red like blood, fire, fire. Burn it up like a blood fire. Light it up like a blood fire. Burn it up like a blood fire. Blood fire. No matter where you are, light us up.
So I can change the
We
the
gon'
lights here.
start a riot
The
tonight.
lights have changed now.
Tonight.
Lights are changing now. So if you see, I play again, the lights
Put your
have changed.
hands up to
Right?
the sky. Flames so red like blood fire.
The lights are off. Okay. See, there's no light.
Burn it up
Lights are back.
light it
Now let's increase the bass. Okay. When I press the bass button,
like a
slow the light. Now the bass is off. Now there is no bass. It's a pure speaker. Okay. There is no bass at all. Now let's play the bass. It goes off and then comes back. That's bass 1. Now let's go to the bass level 2.
noise around, it's like a rave.
Bass level 2. Off. Bass level 2.
Can you hear
That's the
the
highest bass that you get.
It's like a rave, we burn it down like blood fire. Can you hear the noise around? We gonna rave all tonight, oh blood
Now let me turn off the lights. Okay.
Can you hear the noise out there? It's like a rave, we light it up like blood fire.
hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe, like and share my videos, okay? And I believe I have helped you a lot to buy the best speakers during this lockdown period to help you motivate your mood and enjoy the music. Bye bye.